Who wants
Sit
coffee?
still, right here. Sit still. Don't stop playing with him. He's not a sissy.
Delphine, you would never see another dog like this dog. Never. I don't care who it is.
That's what he wants. He's like a little sissy.
He said, forget you. I'm going to go look around.
You won't get it until I pick it up.
No, he won't. He won't bring it to you.
Yo, itchy titchy, bring it to me, bring it to me, bring it to me. Come on, come on.
Obedience school.
Well, you're gonna go sleep for a while, aren't you? You're not used to this. Well, how come she's got better at it? She should just picked it up right up and gave it to you. You're not teaching her right.
What are you talking about?
Every day you should do it.
Come on, shake it, and I'll give you a treat. Look, what do you want? He does a good job. Thank you.
Oh. You should take another one.
Yeesh.
For us, and I'll go ahead and put it on the computer and send it to Joey.
Yeesh.
Michelle, not the
What?
way I look.
This is driving me crazy.
Well, that's okay.